silky sweet hushed vocals, vigorous machine gun drum fills, and anguished bellowing pound at your head like an army of small hammers and leap on you like a savage dog to sabotage your ears. Purveyors of melody as much as brutality twist it into a psychologically confusing spitball and then explode it right at the core of a focused musical maelstrom. Also demonstrate an uncompromising inventiveness and mastery of melody that one rarely finds in heavy music. Deliver the kind of blitzkrieg attack that would outshine any competition.
Are you ready, my friend? Now this one dedicated to all the champion posse. Rock massive, one time.
Surviving. Go ahead. Just let it melt on your tongue.
Only awareness can make reality. And only what's real can become a dream. And only from a dream can you wake to the light.
Is out of control. Anger is out of control.
this article follows.
In a time where social media is the bread and games of our civilization, we are subconsciously living the bleakest of all potential 84s. If we don't do something now, we're pretty much fucked. We are made ignorant of that one true message. If we don't do something now, we're pretty much fucked. We're pretty much fucked.
Sunward I've climbed, and joined the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds, and done 100 things you have not dreamed of. Wheeled and soared and swung high in the sunlit silence. Hovering there, I've chased the shouting wind along, and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. The long, delirious, burning blue, I've topped the windswept heights with easy grace, whenever lark or even eagle flew, and while with silent, lifting mind I've trod the high, untrespassed sanctity of space. silent drifting night outshone my
Enter the house of God. Pandemonium. It deceitfully devours you into its domain. It takes control of your inner being. It will guide you to a unified global gathering, unknown to common men. Pandemonium. The religion. Pandemonium, the religion. Unified global gathering, unknown to common men. Pandemonium.
Start your 40. Fuck the line now. I'm done with foreplay. Doctor's orders. Go fuck yourself. Take 2 days in the morning, overdose and kill yourself. Doctor's orders. Go fuck yourself. Doctor's orders. Go fuck yourself.
Smile when I drop my rust out. When I drop my rust out. Rust out. You want a battle? I roll like an uncut diamond, so fuck hiding. Yo, I buck in the front, what the fuck you want? Nowadays the game is just a fashion show. I'm trying to challenge this, that's why I'm taking it. Back, 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 back. When I'm dropping this, nobody's stopping this. Hardcore shit. The underground is holding the crown, controlling the sound. That's why I'm taking it back to that real boom hardcore shit. Back, get back, like a time machine. When I'm dropping this, nobody's stopping this.
For what I need. I will not apologize for what I want. Let's get right down to it, boys. Let's get right down to it. Do you see what I'm getting at? Oh yeah, you see what I'm getting at? You see what society does? Fucking bullshit! Oh yeah, you see what I'm getting at? You see what society does?
contains the earth and the stars and the sun and moon and mountain. Everything is in it. So if a person wants to attain an understanding of the mind, merely by emptying his mind and making his mind small instead of great, only thereafter does it work with the same energy, showing itself on two different aspects.
It's like Russian roulette when you're placing your bet.
Gangsta reality and I won't stop. Come to my world and deal with what I deal with. Close your eyes and look past the bullshit. Gangsta reality, that's the real shit. Reality, that's the real shit. Gangsta reality.
going anyway. Let's talk about something important. AIDA. Attention, interest, decision, action. Attention. Do I have your attention? Interest. Are you interested? I know you are. Decision. Have you made your decision for Christ? And action. Fucking leads are weak, you're weak.
time to sleep, son, I'll sleep when I'm dead. 24/7 with beats in my head. I keep the basic and bump bass on tracks. It's all gangsters, gangsters at the top of the list. Play my own shit, it goes something like this. It's all gangsters, gangsters at the top of the list. Play my own shit, it goes something like this. Wanna see success, then the envy hits. They used to love me, now I'm on the enemy list. Now I'm on the enemy list. Fuck all the competition, let's go to war. Gangsters at the top of the list. Play my own shit, it goes something like this. It's all gangsters, gangsters at the top of the list. Play my own shit, it goes something like this. Want to see success, then the envy hits. They used to love me, now I'm on the enemy list. All the competition, let's go to war.
Rules of engagement governing ground conflict in urban areas. 1. If possible, the enemy will be warned first, then asked to surrender. Try to arrange for the evacuation of civilians prior to an attack. 3. Deadly force is the last resort.
Engage hostile targets! Airfield here! Deadly force is authorized. I've got it. Over! What is it? About this order you don't understand! Yes, goddammit! Waste the motherfuckers!
Pandemonium. The religion.
Cyndium. Energetic dance only.